this tutorial, I will show you how to make these Star of David chocolate-covered pretzels. I personally love chocolate-covered pretzels, but I'm gluten-free, so I will be making these with gluten-free pretzels, but you can use regular ones if you want. And I also love that I can do a fun little Hanukkah DIY, and this one is pretty kid-friendly as well. If you want to see more Hanukkah tutorials, I will be uploading a total of 8 this year in addition to my 12 Christmas DIYs, and make sure you check out the description below for links to all of my previous year's playlists as well. There's plenty of good stuff to see in there. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoy this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen. For this project, you'll need a double boiler or a pan full of water and a shatter-proof dish such as a Pyrex bowl, candy melts, parchment paper, sugar sprinkles, pretzels, and scissors. Begin by pouring one of your colors of candy melts into your dish, placing that into the pan of water and bringing that to a simmer on the stove. While that is melting, cut off a piece of your parchment paper, and once your candy melts look like this and are completely liquid, you can start dipping your pretzels. I like to dip them one by one, placing them in one triangle on the bottom and then a second triangle on top to form a Star of David. Then add a little bit of sprinkles or cupcake sugar like I'm using here. I will note that the chocolate version of the candy melts are much easier to work with, they're a lot smoother, and the white ones tend to be a little bit chunkier and solidify a lot faster. So keep that in mind when you're choosing which kinds of candy melts to use. Do the exact same thing with your chocolate candy melts, placing one triangle with another triangle on top of it to make a little Star of David, and then adding sprinkles. Leave those to dry on your parchment paper and harden up for a couple of hours, and that is your finished project. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Hanukkah DIYs like this one, make sure you check out my 8 DIYs of Hanukkah playlist, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen.